Good morning to everyone. I'm
Ma'am,
Priya from Perfect Logic Private Limited. I- In a previous session, I explained about how to create employee master. In today's session, I'm going to explain about how to import master data. For this, we have to go to utility. In utility, we have to go to database utility. In database utility, there is an option import master data. Click on this option. Then this form will get open. We'll see first option. Here we can select the table name to import the data from. We have to select this from the drop down. The first is Wing identity. The first thing is for importing the master data. जो भी ये विंग आइडेंटिटी यूनिट टाइप यूनिट कंपोजिशन फ्लोर मास्टर है वो अगर हमें इंपोर्ट करना होगा तो फॉर दैट जो भी हम सोसाइटी में इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उसका उस लाइक ये यूनिट आइडेंटिटी है उसका मास्टर डेटा ब्लैंक होना चाहिए. लाइक हियर वी कैन सी इन मास्टर सोसाइटी मास्टर मेंबर विंग आइडेंटिटी. इस सोसाइटी का हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे मास्टर में मेंबर में विंग आइडेंटिटी. इसका जो मास्टर है वो ब्लैंक है. फॉर इंपोर्टिंग दिस मास्टर डेटा वो विंग आइडेंटिटी ब्लैंक होना चाहिए. फॉर दिस वी विल गो टू यूटिलिटी डेटाबेस यूटिलिटी. यहाँ पे इंपोर्ट मास्टर डेटा पे क्लिक करेंगे. नाउ सिलेक्ट विंग आइडेंटिटी. नाउ सिलेक्ट द फ्रॉम विच society you want to import this wing identity. Select that society name. Select the year from which we want to import this wing identity. Select the year. Then here we can see these wings are coming here which are present in this Perfect Logic Society Private Limited society which we have already created. उस सोसाइटी की जो भी विंग आइडेंटिटी है वो हमें इस सोसाइटी में इंपोर्ट करना होगा तो हमें ये ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करना होगा. नाउ वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन ओके. Then this message will come. Data inserted successfully in a wing identity table. Now click on OK. Now we will go to master member wing identity. Then click on browse. Now here we can see जो भी हमने उस सोसाइटी के विंग आइडेंटिटी इंपोर्ट की थी वो अभी यहाँ पे आ गई है. In this way we can import wing identity of particular society. Now we'll see the next option. How to import unit type. Here we can see for this society. इस सोसाइटी में ये रेसिडेंशियल कमर्शियल ये वाले यूनिट टाइप ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड है. अगर उस सोसाइटी के ये यूनिट टाइप हमें इस सोसाइटी में इंपोर्ट करना होगा तो हमें ये यूनिट टाइप को सिलेक्ट करना है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन ओके. Then this unit type will get imported in the society. Now click on OK. Now for verifying that we will go to master, member, unit type, then browse it. Here we can see जो भी unit type थे जो हमने import किए थे वो अभी सोसाइटी में ऐड हो गए. Now we'll see the next option. How to import unit composition. Now click on unit composition. For this society, these are the unit composition 1 BHK, 2 BHK like this. If you want to import the unit composition of particular society to your new created society, then select this option. Then click on OK. Now here we can see data inserted successfully in a unit composition table. This message will come. Now click on OK. Now we'll see where this unit composition will get added. For this, we will go to master. In master member, here we can see unit composition. Then browse this. Here we can see the unit composition for the society which we have selected. Now coming in this society. Now we will see the next option, floor master. If you want to import the floor master of particular society, then in here from this table name to import the data from, you have to select the floor master. And here import data from society name, you have to select the society name. And here accounting year, select the accounting year of that society. Then when we click on show data, all the floor master of that particular society will show in this form. Here we can see. Now as we want to import this floor master, now click on OK. This message will come, then click on OK. For viewing this floor master, is it imported or not? We'll click on master, member, then click on floor master. Now browse it. Here we can see all the floor master which are present in the society which we have selected. Now get added in this our current society. Now next option is account group and subgroup. When you create this new society, and in this your new society, if you want to select the account group and subgroup of your particular society, then select this option account group and subgroup and select the society name from which you want to import the account group and subgroup. After that, click on OK. Now go to master, account, account group. Here we can see all the account group of that particular society will get imported into this, your new society. Both account group and subgroup both are imported. Now next option we are going to see is how to import account group, subgroup, master. First we will go to master account, account master. Here we can see the account master is now blank. If you want to import this account master, for this we have to select this account group, subgroup, master. We will reload this. Here we select account group, subgroup, master. Here we'll select the society name. Select the year. Then this, for the view purpose, all the list is coming here. Now click on OK. So here we can see now all the account group and subgroup master get imported in this society. For viewing this, we will go to master, account, account master. Here we can see all the account master now come in this society. The use of this option is when we import this data, we don't need to create all the account master data manually. So it will be more easy. Now we'll see the next option. How to import security module. If you have a particular society, the security setting which we apply for that society, if you want to import that security module, in this case, we select this option. For this, we will go to particular society. I will make some changes in security. Then we will see this in our new society. For this, we will go to security, vertical data security, user right. In this user right of this SVH 2526, I am going to make some changes. Edit the form. Now I am going to only make this for the view purpose. Now going to remove this, add, modify, delete, and user ID right. For some options. Now click on save. Now we will go to our new society. Reload it. Select security module. Select the society from which you want to import the security module. Select the year. Now click on OK. For re-verifying this, we will go to security, vertical data security, user right. In this transaction, here we can see for this society also, the security rights that we have changed in the previous society will also get added in this latest created society. The next option is how to import the tariff advance method. Advance method से जो भी tariff लगा है, if you want to import that tariff advance method, then you have to click on tariff advance method. Select that particular society. Then select the year. Now click on OK. Now go to master society tariff definition. Click on regular bill advance method tariff general. Now here we can see the society which we have selected. On that society is if any advance method tariff is applied, that tariff will get imported in this society. These 4 tariff get imported. Now we'll see the next option. How to import document master. For importing the document master, click on document master, select the society name, select the year. Here we can see list of all the documents from that Perfect Logic Society Private Limited. Those documents are viewing in this view preview session. After that, click on OK. Now for verifying this, we will go to quick menu. In quick menu parameter, now click on documents. Here we can see all the documents which you have created in the society that we have selected. All that document master will get imported in this society. This is all about how to import the master data from particular society. For this, we have to make sure that that society is new, or that for the master which we want to import, that master must be blank. In this scenario only, that master will get imported. Thank you everyone for joining this session.